Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On this week we're looking at, can you be able to switch from one IT degree, maybe say for instance a system analyst, to being a data analyst? Can you switch from being a system analyst, say for instance, to becoming a data analyst? And what is my take on it? It's coming up. We got a nice question from Yendani. He posted it in one of the videos and he says, is it possible to make a transition from system analyst to data scientist with information systems degree? So yes, I'm gonna answer that question in two parts, but the answer is still yes. The first part is most of the people that are becoming data scientists are becoming data scientists based on the education side of things. If you have an information systems degree like what I had, mine was called information technology management, IT management, you can transition towards a data scientist degree by the following steps. What I did is, when I did my honors, I did my honors in informatics, which now moves from BCom side of things into the science side of things. Once you become into the science side of things, it becomes easy for you to do your masters in mathematical related things. So you can do computer mathematics, or you can still do it big data, like because I had one of the modules as big data. So in that way, when you go into the job market, you could now become placed as a data scientist, from graduate program data scientist. There you are. The second part of it is, since you're already a system analyst, you can apply for some occupation on the data team. So I will ask you to go find a data team in your organization. Once you find a data team, ask them if you can be seconded that side. If yes, or ask if you can share with somebody else. And then they teach you the skill, they teach you the algorithm. They're not going to teach you as much as they teach you at university. Because remember, at university they teach you, something is they make you familiar with 100 algorithms, or maybe 10 or 15 algorithms. And you only find out that once you start working, you only use one or two in your whole life, because your department might be in risk. You might be using just maybe one algorithm to actually look at that. Nice part about you finding the people in your organization who are already doing that is you are able to see what algorithm they're using. And it's not gonna be easy for you to crack that, because that's their secret. But once you go into the organization and then you make friends with them, then they show you that one algorithm or those two algorithms that they normally use to run the department. Then you teach yourself those algorithms, and then over time they might allow you the title of junior analyst, and before then a junior data scientist, and then before then you become now a full-fledged data scientist. I've seen some graduates being sent from graduate program being sent into the data team, and most of the time after they've completed that graduate thing, they don't stay, because I've seen you become a junior data scientist with a master's degree, and then only then do you push yourself upwards. I've seen a few examples in our organization. You have your degree, you're coming straight into an organization, they might actually give you the runaround. You might end up being a data analyst. So to push it the right way, it's either you, number one, you go back to university, you get your master's degree, or number two, you create relationship within the data team itself. Both of these things needs one thing: time. I mean, going back to do your tweaking your honors, back from your honors to go into the science team, and then also changing your honors to a master's, that's like 3-4 years already there. Same likewise, going this side to create relationship at work, it can still take 3, 4, 5 years. With this example, for both of them, yes, you can become a data scientist, but it needs time. But maybe you can ask yourself, why do you want to become a data scientist? Is it because of the title, or is it because of what you do? If it's because of what you do, I would recommend the second one. Go into your organization, find the people that are doing it, and start doing it. If it's just for the title, then maybe university will help you get the data scientist role, data science titled role later. Even if you become a quantitative analyst, it doesn't matter. You have a data scientist role. So I hope I've answered you, Yendani. If you have another question, please feel free to post it down and then I'll be able to get back to it. Thanks.